guys, I'm Ryan with Canary Diving Adventures, and we're bringing you the very first episode of Canary Diving Tips and Tricks. So what we're going to look at today in this first video is masks and the problem that we have with new masks. Now, quite often we get divers coming to us, they've bought themselves a brand new lovely mask and they're complaining that they're always getting fog or mist coming up. Now, what they don't tell you when you buy a new mask is actually there is a silicone film on the glass, and we need to get rid of this, otherwise you're always going to be fogging up in the water. So we have two different ways we can get rid of this. Okay, the first one is toothpaste. Okay, normal white toothpaste. Okay, and what I did is last night I put some toothpaste on the inside of the mask, give it a good wipe around, and then we left it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to wash that toothpaste away in some fresh water. Wash, wash, wash. Now you need to make sure you get rid of all the toothpaste, otherwise you're going to have very minty, fresh face when you go scuba diving. So we rinse all of that off. Yeah, a little bit in there still. Okay, now we've gotten rid of the toothpaste inside the mask. So what we're going to do now to see if it has worked is we're going to spit into it. Alright, so we give it a little spit. Wipe all that lovely spit around. Okay, now we're imagining we're just about to go for a dive, so we spat into our mask, we're going to wash that spit away, and now we can double check to see if it's going to fog up. So all we do is we breathe into it. No fog. Perfect. Good. So that's with toothpaste. Now sometimes toothpaste doesn't work, maybe we haven't wiped it around enough, or we've not left it for long enough. Okay, so we have one more option: fire with a lighter. Okay, now this might seem a little bit scary to burn your brand new mask, but it does work. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to take our lighter and we're going to burn on the inside of the mask. Now you can see there, that's the whole silicone film just burning away, and that's what we want to get rid of. So you see I'm just burning the glass. Alright, you can see all of it just disappearing here. You see that? Slowly burning away. We got a bit of a wind problem here. There we go. A little bit more. See all that silicone layer just leaving the mask now. Yeah, it can be a bit awkward with your fingers, so watch out not to burn yourself here, guys. Alright, it's looking pretty clear. Now, if any of these tips and tricks don't work, guys, you just need to do it one more time, okay, because it will work eventually. Alright, so now we're going to wash all of that burnt silicone away. Wash, wash, wash. We're good, and here comes the disgusting part again. We're going to spit into it. Wipe it all around. Give it a little wash out. And then we give it a little breathe in too. No mist. Perfect. Alrighty guys, so that's what to do with your brand new mask if you're having a mist or a fog problem. Okay. Join us next time, we'll be giving you some more tips and tricks to do with the diving world.